New single window printer indicator with 99 products memory with piece counting, price computing memory. Product number we can select, let us say one number, Tare. Product selected. If I print 3 headers, date, time, serial number, this 2 line is extra, you can edit completely. Right now just put it blank. Product name banana, gross, Tare, net weight, unit weight, pieces, liter, rate, amount, barcode, footer. All these things are permissions enable, disable has been given. We can have 4 types of different slip. Accumulation, net, gross, Tare, accumulation, etc. Just wait for one slip, I will change. SFMT format 1, we have accumulation slip. Now here it's accumulation slip, we can have a plus payments. 1, 2, 3, print. So total 4 payments has been printed with total weight. Now slip format 2. Now second print format we can have accumulation only, but without printing the individual data. 1 has been stored, again second stored, third stored. Now if I print, three payment and total weight. Now fourth slip format is net, gross, Tare, accumulation. Now SFMT 3. Now this weight I put it Tare, second payment, print. One more. Thank you.